Hello, my name is Mansu Gupta. I am a doctoral student at Orebro University and an ESR in the MORE project. My research topic is robust all-weather environment 3D perception and obstacle avoidance, which includes providing machines with environment perception capabilities in different weather conditions. In this project, we want to develop solutions for the machines working outdoors so they can either provide perception support to the operators or can have the capabilities to navigate their surrounding autonomously. This problem statement is important for the machines working at outdoor locations such as forests, mining sites, construction sites, where the working conditions are difficult for a robot. Due to varying lighting conditions, the surrounding can be unstructured and cluttered. There could be low visibility due to different weather conditions such as snow, fog, rain, and the large field of view is required to detect the obstacles so the machine can avoid them. To approach this problem, we will be evaluating multiple perception sensors such as cameras, lidars, and radars. These sensors has their pros and cons. In case of camera sensor, they are heavily dependent on the lighting condition, but generate good quality of information about the environment. In case of LiDAR sensor, they are independent of the lighting conditions, but generate less informative data about the environment compared to camera sensors and cannot work with all weather conditions. In case of radar sensing technology, they are not also dependent on the lighting condition. They also generate low amount of information about the environment compared to the radar and the lidar sensors. So a sensor fusion solution is required to fuse the data from these sensors so it can be used in the mapping and localization of the environment, obstacle detection and avoidance, and path planning. To summarize, the autonomous machines require perception for localization and mapping, obstacle detection and avoidance. To work in all weather conditions, they require multiple data from the multiple sensors. These data can then be used with machine learning or neural network based approaches to generate a robustified solution for mapping, localization, obstacle avoidance, and detection. Thank you.